In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan document on Samsung Galaxy A16. Open the Play Store. Install this application, Cam Scanner. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Now, tap on the camera to scan the document. I have this document. Let's scan it. I have scanned the document. Now here you can see it is coming horizontally. To make it vertical, simply tap on right. Now as you can see, it is on vertical. Now if you want to crop something, then you can simply crop it like this. Now this is good. Simply tap on next. Here you can see my document is cropped. Here you can see some color filters are available. You can simply lighten your document or use magic color. I personally use magic color. Now simply tap on tick. As you can see the result, which is very clear. Now if you want to save this document in the gallery, then simply tap on more. Tap on save to gallery. Now let's check it out. As you can see, here is the document. So this is how you can scan document on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.